Today we will previous year question of the NET GRF from the question number 11. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1, icebergs are not common along the Norwegian coast. This option is the correct. And statement 2, icebergs are very common along the Siberian coast. This statement is false. Option C will be the correct answer. Coming to the next question, question number 12. Who among the following were the leading advocates of the quantitative revolution in the geography? Answer D will be the correct answer. Peter Haggett and the William Bunge, Hagerstrand and the Shorley. Coming to the question number 13. Which of the following scholars argued for humanistic geography? Option C will be the correct answer, Wycliffe Wan. Coming to question number 14. The most widely accepted scheme of the cultural realm of the world was devised by, option A is the correct answer, Brooke and Webb. Coming to the question number 15. Which of the following statements are not true about interstate distribution of the scheduled caste population in India 2011? Option D will be the correct answer. Punjab has the highest percentage of the SC in the total population, and Tamil Nadu has the more SC population in the Andhra Pradesh. Question number 16. Arrange the following states in the ascending order with respect to the density of the population as per 2011 census. Correct answer will be question number option A, Rajasthan, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. Question number 17. Which of the following statements are relevant with respect to the Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient? Most appropriate answer will be option C, A and C. Both variables have come from the normally distributed population, and it is known as the covariance of the two variables. Coming to the question number 18. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 composition, list 2 planes. Choose the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. A plain largely composed of the recent alluvial, flood plain, deep sea plain, abyssal plain, a plain formed by wind action, loess plain, a plain formed due to the deposition of the glacial deposits, outwash plain. Coming to the question number 19. The standard error of the mean is calculated on the basis of, option B will be the correct answer, size of the sample and sample standard deviation. Coming to the question number 20. Arrange the following in the chronological order. Choose the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Montreal Protocol 1987, then Earth Summit 1992, then World Summit on the Sustainable Development 2002, Conference of the Parties COP21 2015. Coming to the question number 21. When did the last ice age on the earth take place? Option will be the C, Pleistocene period. Question 22. In which of the following country of the world farming is severely restricted by the climate? Option C will be the correct answer, Canada. Question number 23. Khamjoing Pass is located in, option B will be the correct answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Coming to the question number 24. Producers in the trophic level include, choose the most appropriate answer. Answer will be the A, B and C. Answer C will be the correct answer. Photosynthetic green plants, photosynthetic bacteria and the chemiosynthetic bacteria. Question number 25. Which of the following statements are the correct? Choose the correct answer. Option B will be the correct answer, B and C. About 70% of the population lives in villages in India. Indian rural society is still semi-feudalistic. Coming to question number 26. As per the 2011 census, which of the following recorded second and the first rank in the population growth during 2001 and 11? Option A will be the correct answer. Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. Coming to the question number 27. Who wrote the essay titled Trying to Solve the Monsoon Riddle in relation to the mechanism of monsoon? Parth Sarthi. Option D will be the correct answer. Coming to the question number 28. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. Warm ocean current. List 2. Meeting cold ocean current. Option D will be the correct answer. Brazilian current, Falkland current, Gulf Stream, Labrador current, Kuroshio current, Oyashio current, Agulhas current, west wind drift. Coming to question number 29. The idea or concept of the spatial margin of the profitability in context of the industrial location theory was propounded by D.M. Smith. Coming to the question number 13. Which of the following are the true for the India's National Health Policy 2017? Option D will be the correct answer. Option D will be the correct answer. Increase in the life expectancy at birth to 70 years by 2025 and reduction in the infant mortality rate to 28 by 2019 and reduction of total fertility rate to 2.1 at national and sub-national level by 2025. Coming to question number 31. Which one of the following models is based on the study of the human ecology? Option A will be the correct answer. Concentric zone model by Burgess, which was given in 1925. Coming to the question number 32. Organisms with R selected growth pattern tend to occupy which trophic level in their ecosystem? Option A will be the correct answer. Low trophic level. Coming to question number 33. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 author, list 2 book title. The correct answer will be option C. Author P. Knox and the S. Pinch. Urban Social Geography, An Introduction. Emirs Jones and John Ellis. An Introduction to Social Geography. A. Ahmed. Social Geography. J. M. Rubenstein. The Cultural Landscape, An Introduction to Human Geography. Coming to question number 34. Who wrote book Illustration of Huttonian Theory of the Earth? Option D will be the correct answer. John Playfair. Question number 35. Landforms formed by erosional activity. Option A will be the correct answer. Yardang and stumps, structural beach and coal. Question number 36. The term demanufacturing is associated with which of the following? Option C will be the correct answer. Disassembly and recycling. Question number 37. Which one of the following is responsible for the blue color of sky? Option A will be the correct answer. Rayleigh scattering. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 states, list 2 change in the effective literacy rate. Kerala 3.0%, Mizoram 3.8, Himachal Pradesh 14.6, Bihar 16.8. Question number 39. Identify the scholar who was the first to report and map the Chinese coal fields. Option D will be the correct answer. Richthofen. Question number 40. The migrants of second wave of Indian diaspora went to settle in which of the following country? Option C will be the correct answer. Thailand. Question 41. Which one of the following was introduced by W. Arnold? Option D will be the correct answer. Place name analysis in settlement study. Question number 42. Given below are the two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as the reason. The correct answer is option A. Both are correct and the correct explanation of A. Assertion. Christoller developed network of hexagonal complementary areas in central place theory. This is correct. Reason. The circular complementary area were having gaps and the overlaps. Both the statements are correct and the correct explanation. Question number 43. Which of the following statements are true about the crop combination region? Most appropriate answer will be the option B, A, C and D. provide a good basis for agriculture regionalization, helps in formulation of agricultural policy, and D. Provide a comprehensive understanding of agriculture mosaic of an agroclimatic region for planning and development of agriculture. Question 44. Which of the following statements with respect to altitude of sun and the spacing of the tall buildings is the most relevant? The correct answer will be option D, A and B. Buildings are usually built far apart in the high latitudes, and B. Buildings are built closer together in the tropics. Coming to question number 45. Who among the following scholars strongly advocated the idea of the possibilism? Correct answer will be option B, B and C. Bruhens and Saur and Fabre and Blash. Coming to the question number 46. Which of the following is not probability sampling technique? Option C, snowball and the convenience are the correct answer. Option B. Question 47. The characteristic of the ocean water include. Correct answer will be option B. Heat lost by tropical ocean is major source of the heat needed to drive the atmospheric circulation, and D. Less salty water are at high latitudes. Question number 48. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 elements of visual image. List 2 features identification. Correct answer will be the option D. Tone, land cover and the land use. Size to distinguish zone of the land use. Shape, meander, belts, patterns, orchards. Coming to question number 49. Statement 1. Highest concentration of the scheduled caste population is in the Satluj Ganga plain. This statement is true. Statement 2. In the terms of the absolute number, Christians are the most numerous in the Kerala state of India. This is also true. Therefore, answer A will be the correct answer. Coming to the today's last question. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 type of the industry, list 2 places. Correct answer will be the option B. Jute, angol, wool, kullu, silk, Mysore, cotton, Hisar. Thank you.